Hi friends, you might know that I have been working on a big course on LLM, large language model, architecture, training, and mechanisms. I've been working on it full-time for around 6 months, and I'm actually quite close to finishing it, but now that ChatGPT 5 has been released, I'm trying to get it out a little bit sooner, maybe in the next 1 week, maybe 2 weeks. Here you see the GitHub repo for this course. This has all the code files for the entire course, including all of the solutions to all the exercises and the code challenges and the projects. Just to give you a sense of all the code files that you see in here, these are the solutions to all of the exercises and projects. Now, what you also see here is a link that goes to a spreadsheet. Where is that link? Here is the link that goes to a spreadsheet that has the list of all of the lectures and topics. So you can click on this. It contains a lot of information about the course table of contents. So you can see the course is divided into several parts, which are then divided into sections, and then there's a bunch of lectures inside each section. Some of these lectures are a little bit more about theory and slides and explanations and some equations and graphs and so on, but a lot of the lectures are hands-on demos in Python. Basically anything in this column that has a Python code name file. This is a video where I focus on hands-on Python demos. And of the Python videos, any video title that starts with this word code challenge here, that is exercises with complete solutions that I explain in the video. So you're really going to get your hands dirty in this course and get a really rigorous, thorough, hands-on understanding of large language models like GPT and BERT and so on. So I'm just now, scrolling through some of these sections just to give you a bit of a sense of what they include. So let me see. We start off with tokenization and embeddings. It's basically how you transform text into numbers. And then on to building GPTs and their architecture, pre-training them, fine-tuning and instruction tuning for basically how you get chatbots. Here we have various quantitative and qualitative methods for evaluating the performance of models, and also some critical discussions about why all of these evaluation methods are tricky to rely on. So right there is about half of the course, and that's really just focused on architecture, understanding how transformer blocks work, the attention algorithm, and so on. And then the second half of the course is on mechanisms, the emerging field of LLM mechanistic interpretability, in particular with an eye towards technical AI safety. And here the idea is you don't just give a model some text input and see what text it generates. You actually dig into the model and you extract activations from anywhere in the model that you want. So all of these sections are about mechanistic interpretability. There are statistical and machine learning techniques for analyzing the data to try to get some handle on what these models do, where different kinds of knowledge are stored, and how to understand how the models transform the processing of the current token into making a prediction about generating a next token. Now, if you think that you can watch a 5-minute video and understand completely how LLMs work, then you're going to be surprised and disappointed. The truth is that literally no one knows how these models really work and how they actually learn to represent world knowledge and writing styles and so on. But trying to understand that is a primary goal of the field of mechanistic interpretability, and you will learn in this course how to apply analyses that are emerging in the field of mechinterp. So there's a lot of material about extracting and analyzing internal activations. Here I will also show you how to manipulate the models while they are processing text to see how you can causally interfere with certain kinds of operations. And finally, if you are new to Python, or if you're new to deep learning, you can check out the appendix sections at the end of the course. These are introductions to Python programming and introductions to deep learning concepts like gradient descent and forward passes and so on. So you can see it is quite a big course. It is over 90 hours of video recordings across over 300 recorded lectures. Although once you're enrolled in the course, you can pick and choose which sections you want to focus on. So it's certainly not the case that you need to go through every single video unless you are really motivated. You can custom tailor your own educational experience, and that is great. I will put the link to the GitHub site in the description below, and when the course is available, I will also put that link in the description. So definitely come check it out. I am super excited to finish this course and make it available, and I hope you are also excited to learn how LLMs are put together, how they're trained, and how they work.